Quick results can be attained with Google Adwords, as you can get visitors to your landing pages in minutes from launching. But to get the most from the start of your campaign, you want to set it up correctly. Quick setup guide. 1. Select your campaign type and name. 2. Choose your bid strategy and set your daily budget. 3. Ignore the ad extensions section for now. 4. Create your first ad group, add keywords and write your first ad. 5. Set your maximum cost per click. 6. Enter billing info. If you are new to AdWords, then the first important term to learn is ad campaign. An ad campaign is a series of advertisement messages that share a single idea and theme, which will make up an integrated marketing communication. The typical instruction could be: the ad campaign for Spain has to perform as well as it does in France. The first video's title is Top 10 Companies with the Best Advertising Campaigns. The second, Advertising Campaign, Meaning, Definition and Explanation. The first step is to choose your campaign type. Campaign types are centered around Google's advertising networks, the Google Search Network, the Google Display Network, and the YouTube network. The typical instruction could be: we're going to use all the different campaign types for the Spanish market. In your campaigns, you have to create ad groups. An ad group contains one or more ads which target a shared set of keywords. You set a bid or price to be used when an ad group's keywords trigger an ad to appear. A typical instruction could be: every ad group needs its own keyword and ad. The title is How to Set Up Ad Groups 2018. In your campaigns, you have to create ad groups. An ad group contains one or more ads which target a shared set of keywords. You set a bid or price to be used when an ad group's keywords trigger an ad to appear. A typical instruction could be: every ad group needs its own keyword and ad. The video title is How to Set Up Ad Groups in 2018. You'll have to add keywords to your ad groups, so you'll want to do some research before you do this. PPC keyword research is the process of using keyword research tools and analytics data. A list of keywords that are highly relevant to your business offerings. The goal is to show up in the search results when people search for products or services that are relevant to your business. A best practice you may have here is: we want to aim for more than 5,000 PPC keywords per campaign. Use mergewords.com to create the keywords and this spreadsheet to add the best practice match types. The video title is Google AdWords PPC Advertising Keyword Research, and the spreadsheet mentioned is in the resources section with the video. When you make your campaign live, you're going to get a good quality score for your PPC keywords. A quality score is Google's rating of the quality and relevance of both your keywords and PPC ads. It is used to determine your cost per click, CPC, and multiplied by your maximum bid to determine your ad rank in the ad auction process. A typical instruction you might hear or give to a colleague is: we want to achieve a quality score of 7 for all our keywords. Video title is 5 tips for increasing your Google AdWords quality score. When your campaign is live, you'll start to see impressions appearing in your ad group metrics. An impression, in the context of online advertising, is when an ad is fetched from its source and is countable. Whether the ad is clicked is not taken into account. Each time an ad is fetched, it is counted as one impression. A typical request you may receive or give to someone in your team is: we don't just want to get impressions, We want quality clicks, so we'll start our bid price low. Your ads will hopefully appear in a position that will have impressions and attract clicks to your website. Your ad rank is a value that's used to determine your ad position, what ads are shown on a page relevant to other ads, and whether your ads will show at all. A common strategy you may have here, or you can tell your team, is we won't worry about ad rank first, as we want to see which keywords are getting the conversions. Then we can raise our prices for the best performing. So the video title is Google AdWords, Quality Score and Ad Rank. You're going to want to advertise to mobile users with a mobile ad. This is a type of ad that can appear on web pages and apps that are viewed on a mobile device, such as a mobile phone or tablet. For Google Ads, mobile is defined as where the ad can appear on mobile devices. These include high-end mobile devices with smaller screens, such as smartphones. A typical best practice request is we need to create ads that are optimized for those people using a mobile device. The video title is Top 5 Best Smartphone Ads. Make sure to use all the available ad extensions. They are free, so why not? Ad extensions are additional pieces of information about your business, like a phone number or a link to a specific page on your website you can add to your ads. Ad extensions are free to add to your ads with the usual charges for any clicks you get. The first video title is Boost Your Ad with extensions in the new AdWords experience. The second is Ad extensions in Google AdWords. You can spend a lot of money on the display network with little result, so be careful. Google AdWords is split into two networks: the search network and the display network. When advertising on the search network, businesses place text ads in the search engine results. On the display network, businesses instead place display ads on a huge network of sites across the internet. The typical strategy is we don't want to combine search and display networks into one campaign. If we do, we'll get stats showing us low CTRs and our budget getting used up, which will confuse our search network optimization. The video title is Google Display Advertising Campaign Tutorial 2018. Another option is to advertise on the Google Search Network. The Google Search Network is a group of search-related websites and apps where your ads can appear. When you advertise on the Google Search Network, your ad can show near search results when someone searches with terms related to one of your keywords. A best practice you'll hear is we don't want to advertise on the search network until we have a profitable campaign on Google Search. Conversions are lower on the search network, so you should only be used if we need more traffic, but not too worried about conversions. The video title is Display Network versus Search Network. The display select is for keywords, formerly known as search companion marketing. It allows advertisers to show text and image ads on the Google Display Network to users based on their search intent during their search session. A typical dialogue can be, it's marketed by Google as a solution for the combining networks problem, moving budget from search to display when the limit is searched. However, we shouldn't use it as our search ads would be blended into the display network and it's unlikely to produce results. And the video title is Search Network with Display Select. An audience setting for your ads can be what's called remarketing. Remarketing shows ads to people who visited your website or used your mobile app. When people leave your website without buying anything, for example, remarketing helps you reconnect with them by showing relevant ads across their different devices. A typical strategy would be to get any type of return on investment. We need to set up remarketing. Remarketing will keep our visitors and customers engaged. The video title is Google Adwords Remarketing Tutorials for Beginners. Rather than having Google decide where to place your ads, you can have control with managed placement. Managed placement are a targeting method you can use to specifically choose websites, videos, and apps that are part of the Google Display Network on which you'd like to show your ads. The typical strategy is we need to use managed placements as they give us some control on where the ads are placed. If we use interests or topic targeting, Google will decide for us. The video title is Ask AdWords Managed Placements.